Hey guys, it's your girl Kia P with another DIY home decor item using Dollar Tree products. You're going to need 9 of these Dollar Tree mirrors, so if you see them, pick them up. And you're going to need some Fix-All glue that you can also get at the Dollar Tree. You're going to need a hot glue gun, not this one, but they do sell them at the Dollar Tree. And you're going to need some hot glue sticks, okay? First, you're going to start by gluing your first 3 mirrors together, making sure that they're nice and even with a line of Fix-All and your hot glue. And you're going to also need some clamps that you can also get from the Dollar Tree as well, so that everything is clamped together as it dries. Here I am gluing all 3 of them together. You want to make sure that you either put down some parchment paper or you are using a surface that you don't mind getting glue on. The glue is easily removable from most surfaces, but again, you want to make sure you're protecting your furniture. Then I'm going to put some hot glue in between the Fix-All, and then I'm just going to put these 3 mirrors together nice and even and clamp them together. Make sure you like the video, you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, so that my videos can stay in the algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. It's free to do so. Support, support, support. Yeah, and let's get it, because I know I'm sending you dope content and easy things that you can do to beautify your home or your diet, workout, whatever. I'm sharing everything with you guys, so make sure you like the channel, okay? So here I am, I'm gluing the 3rd mirror onto the center mirror the same way. Dabs of Fix-All, dabs of hot glue, and put them together nice and even. And I'm using clamps to make sure that they dry nice and tight. Once I have those 3 in line and glued together, I'm going to line up 2 more on the sides. I'm going to eyeball them, putting them like midway in the other mirror as you see. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use my Fix-All and then my hot glue gun in between, and I'm going to glue those to the other 3. You can measure it out if you like to make sure that you're accurate. I'm just eyeballing it because I'm pretty good at it, but I'm gonna eyeball mine. You can measure if you like. Now this mirror, you're going to glue 2 sides. You're going to glue that side as well as the other side to make sure that they are sticking to the mirror at the top and the mirrors on the side. Doing the same method using your Fix-All glue and your hot glue gun. Next, I'm going to use the last mirror, and then I'm going to glue that one in between the two. So you got 3 mirrors, 2 mirrors, and then 1 single mirror. And so I'm going to do the same method. Fix all glue, hot glue, and I'm going to glue that one to the other 2 right in the center. And if you are liking the content so far, make sure you like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, heart this on TikTok, follow me on TikTok, and I'll be sure to keep you updated on all the latest things that I'm doing. I appreciate you guys so much. Then I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to complete the process on the other side of the 3 mirrors. This I'm using a ruler so I can make sure that these 2 are the same length as the other side, and making sure that all of the picture hooks are facing the same direction. Now I am putting little thin popsicle sticks in between where the mirrors are joined together, just to give it some extra structure and some extra stability, so that when I flip it over, it stays together, and when I hang it, it stays on the wall. So here I am slowing it down. Again, the same process. I'm not using Fix-All all the way down the stick. Little spots of Fix-All and then hot glue in between to just make it stick a little faster. And I'm laying it right along the seams. I slowed that down for you guys so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Then I complete that process throughout the whole project. And here is the finished project. I broke up some bigger popsicle sticks and joisted together where the mirrors meet. And here I am testing it, flipping it over. It flipped pretty good. It needed like an extra day to dry, but it did really well. I'm gonna clean it up with some Windex or some glass cleaner. And y'all, look at the finished project. It came out so nice, so beautiful. It looked like I spent anything of 80 to 150 bucks, and it looks nice in my living room.